Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. You are going to love the 2020 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, headlights auto off, mirror memory, steel wheels, wheel covers, security system, cruise control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.